Indeed, that's some striking video there. That's actually the same storm system that brought us rain this morning. Those storms are now exiting into Alabama here. We had the reports of some minor damage up on Highway 41 in St. Tammany. Also had reports and a video of a tornado crossing Highway 49 north of Wiggins over in Mississippi several hours ago. So a little bit of a spin in the atmosphere today. I think for the most part we're done with the widespread storms today. Not the case tomorrow. It is so incredibly warm and muggy today. For the last few days of December, it's way too warm. We actually hit 80 degrees at the last hour. We're down to 79 in New Orleans with a strong southwest wind that's pumping in that Gulf moisture. We are all warm from 78 in Slidell to 77 in Houma, 75 in Hammond. If you're closer to the water, you're probably in the 60s this afternoon. There's a chance for a couple more showers and maybe a thunderstorm this afternoon, but the chance is 30% for the most part. We're going to be watching for more fog tonight, so if you're out late enough, I think we will see some dense fog take over the area. Saturday morning could be rather foggy ahead of the storms. So we've got storms in the forecast and our weather impact alert for your Saturday afternoon and more so Saturday evening. Right now I'm thinking the biggest chance of widespread storms will come beyond sunset tomorrow. So we're talking sunset to maybe midnight or so. There is a chance for tornadoes or so, a few tornadoes tomorrow. That chance is higher north of the lake where you see your level 3 out of 5. You can see a level 2 out of 5 across the metro and a level 1 out of 5 near the coast. What this tells you is that the chance for tornadoes decreases the further south you go and increases the further north. Everyone, though, has a chance to see a storm spin tomorrow or a tornado, so we all need to be watching the weather closely, just especially north of the interstate there of I-12. It's a fairly large area that could see tornadoes tomorrow. You can see this large area in orange, the hatched area indicating where we will have enough spin in the ingredients for a strong tornado. That's anything greater than an EF2 that really do some significant damage. That does include a lot of our North Shore here. So staying weather aware as we go throughout the afternoon, but especially tomorrow evening. Download our app, stay plugged in there, and follow along with the weather as we go throughout the day. The timing of this, it's not going to be a one and done thing. We've got a few storms popping tomorrow afternoon. These individual storms can pose a tornado risk, but this is the big mess that's going to come in Saturday evening. For us, it's probably going to be after 7 o'clock or so, and then that'll last through at least midnight, and then it'll exit, and by Sunday, we've got beautiful weather. So as that rolls through, there'll be that risk for tornadoes, some damaging winds, but also some heavy rain and some hail up to the size of quarters. Beyond that, it's a minor weak front. We're going to be at 69 on Sunday, but here's your strong cold front coming in for the new year. New Year's Day, we're struggling to get out of the 50s, and it looks like we're going to have a little bit colder weather as we kick off the first full week of 2025. The entire East Coast is going to settle back into a chilly pattern. So if you're enjoying the warmer weather, you got some mild weather through at least New Year's Eve, but then turning colder by the new year. Nothing that we haven't already seen this year. I don't have a freeze here on the South Shore, just the winter chill returning. So weather aware tomorrow, storms are likely, especially tomorrow evening. Beautiful Sunday, beautiful on Monday. New Year's Eve doesn't look too bad either, and New Year's Day looks chillier. Heads up for boaters, we're going to watch for more fog to develop tonight. Storms will be likely tomorrow evening across the area, and then Sunday looks quite nice to be out on the water. Your high tide will happen this evening, and your low tide that was earlier this morning. Winston?